Hi, it's Imran from Car Sound Security in East London here. We've just finished installing a Starline security system on this Range Rover Vogue 2014. So what we've done is we've fitted an alarm or security system inside the vehicle behind the scenes. And now, so what this device does is it basically, if there's an illegal entry point, so if someone gets in, tries the ignition, the device will call you or phone you on your number. You've got various sensors as well you can set. So if someone lifts the vehicle, you know, the tilt sensor will pick up. You've got shock sensor on there for impact and motion sensor as well. So we're currently sitting in the car at the moment. This is the tag you get with it. Now, because this is a keyless entry car, when you come up to it, it will unlock the car, but you need to press this to deactivate the system. That's to prevent key cloning, theft and stuff like that, where high-tech criminals get your you know, your key frequency. They won't be able to get the frequency on this. So we've got Richard just here. He's going to just demonstrate and just put the ignition on. So ignition is on. So shortly the dome, you can see, has just gone red here. So, and you get the phone call come up as well. So if I just answer that, you'll hear it. Have a listen to this.
Alarm in alarm system mode. Ignition is on. Alarm in alarm system mode. Ignition is on.
So it's basically saying that someone's tried to start the vehicle without the tag present. Obviously we haven't pressed it to say it's the rightful owners here. That meaning if you can be anywhere in UK and it will phone you for any illegal entry. Again, don't forget, if you set the sensors on the device, then it will do that as well. On top of that, it's a tracker as well, so you can probably see the location just here. If I just tap on that, it will just literally zoom in and it tells you where you are. It gives you the last 7 days of tracking history, mileage, etc. So really popular product. We are fitting on a load of vehicles at the moment, not just Range Rovers, all types of vehicles. Goes on pretty much any vehicle. If you're interested in getting something like this done on your vehicle, then get in contact with us on the details below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.